Hello there, little friends! A baby lion is called a cub.
Cub.
A baby elephant is called a calf.
A baby kangaroo is called a joey.
A baby rabbit is called a kit. A baby goat is called a kid.
Kid.
A baby deer is called a fawn.
A baby sheep is called a lamb.
Meh.
Hi there, little friends! A baby horse is called a foal. Can you say foal?